Oh, update video here. Got some Loctite, a couple boxes of screws, some grip tight screws, and 3 sheets of 3/4 inch MDF.
Get the head unit in there?
What?
Get the head unit in there?
What, my dad's crappy Pioneer?
Yep.
The one that, I don't know, the faceplate's all messed up. Like, oh, you push this button over here, and it pushes that button over there. Push this button, I don't know, it does something that it's not supposed to. They all do something they're not supposed to. So, you know, it's completely messed up. Yeah. So, that's the update for the Mazda. It's getting on the way.